Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on fluffy sack reviews. Guys, this video will help you know whether the product the fluffy sack is selling is a legit one or a scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your questions. Should I buy the product or not? If you have ever experienced any fraud with the product, watch our video till end as I'm going to reveal a way to get your money back. But before that, let's have a look at the product and what are the specifications and legitimacy checkpoints of the product. Here guys, you can see the picture of the product. It's a large bean bag fluffy sack. This large bean bag fluffy sack is available at a very economical price, which is $20, which is pound 29.99. Also, color options are available. As you can see, different color options are here, including gray, blue and white. Guys, all the payment options that you can avail for are also displayed here on the website which is selling the product. It includes MasterCard, Visa card, PayPal, MX and many such options. Also guys, to avail this discount offer, they have displayed that you have only 11 minutes and 15 seconds remaining to take the advantage of the exclusive offer they are presenting. Now, to ensure that this offer is correct or not and whether the product is legit or not, we will help you find out all the legitimacy checkpoints as we have done a thorough investigation on this product. But before I share all the details, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further guys, here you can see that this product comes with a 24 to 48 hour shipping guarantee along with 30 days free return. Now guys, if you are looking for an option to watch your favorite televisions or web series comfortably, this is the perfect option for you. You need not to look any further as this fluffy sack helps you get the relief and comfort you always look for. You can enjoy the ultimate in comfort with this large bean bag fluffy sack, as you can already see in this short video how they have clearly displayed about the comfiness of this product. It's a giant bean bag for the whole family. It's ideal for a comfortable place in the house. This huge bean bag can be placed in the corner of the bedroom or anywhere in the living room. It can easily accommodate 2 people. As you can see, it has a big size. Also, this bean bag is made of an ultra resistant material. It does not deteriorate over time and is resistant to washing. You can wash this product in machine. The top of the bean bag can be opened easily and machine washed using a gentle washing program. All the specifications are clearly stated here about the product and its functioning. Now guys, this product is made in United Kingdom and you will find that their factories and warehouses are located in London, but they sell parcels within 2 to 3 working days to all over the world. All the advantages you receive by taking this product includes 99.8% satisfied customer, limited quantity items. You will not find this kind of item available in any store and it is delivered all over the Europe. Looking for the customer reviews guys, you will find that total 458 customer reviews have been given here and they have also displayed that they have served more than 35,000 satisfied customers. But I would like to bring something dubious into your notice that this website is only 3 days old and it was registered on October 1, 2020, which clearly state that there is something suspicious about it. Not even a single website can make so many happy customers in 3 days. So guys, with this major point, I would like to say that this website is not recommended. I will not recommend you to buy product from here because it looks kind of scam to me. Also, I haven't received any single customer review on Google searches about this product. So guys, if you are looking for some beanbag, you can go through some other options that you will be getting on some reliable websites like Amazon.com and other shopping carts. But for now, please don't shop from here. I hope you found this information useful. Well guys, the money back option that I'm going to reveal is quite simple. All you have to do is visit the link which we have provided in our description box. View the link properly. Please comment your thoughts on this video, like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends, have a nice day.